Hi guys, today I would like to present you the new Montreal patented rubber mallet with 4 different hitting points and 4 different shapes and harness all in one. These rubber mallets are specifically designed to fit the needs of professional tile installers. As you know, every week a tile setter is facing a new challenge, installing different types of ceramics, natural stones, and porcelain tile. Each material must be handled according to its specific technical characteristics, such as shape, hardness, surface, design, and way more. For this reason, Montreal designed this ergonomic rubber mallet with 4 different hitting points. Let's have a look. Standard round head, additional square head useful to reach even corners, upper flat knocker, soft small lower knocker that can be also used horizontally. Each hitting point has a different weight and hardness to provide you with the power you need. Montreal mallet is made of special soft rubber that gives you a soft touch, and above all, this specific rubber does not leave marks on your tiles or stones. In addition, thanks to its shape and materials, Montreal drastically reduces the vibration transmitted from the hammer to your hand. The handle is shorter compared to other mallets, granting more control to the user. Another relevant feature is the no bouncing back system that allows you to put the pressure exactly where it's needed. Montreal can also be used to safely remove standard leveling systems, and also for compacting the empty beer cans. Bye guys!